Welcome everyone to Hack Academy Active Directory Chain. So this will be absolutely amazing practice for you if you're going for the OSCP, because it will very realistically simulate an OSCP exam when it comes to the Active Directory department, right? So I definitely recommend getting in that practice. If you're also following along with the checklist, this entire chain, this series of episodes will cover so many aspects within the Active Directory chain and the Windows Privilege escalation chain. So or the section in the docs. So I definitely recommend you updating that as you go as well and as you learn. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this series and I really hope you enjoyed this video. And I want you to absolutely crush the OSCP. So please enjoy the video and keep learning. Just and yeah. So now we can take this hash right here, and then we can try it against the system. What am I doing? So administrator, then hash like so. So we're not able to authenticate with that. We could try with math as well. And we can also try cracking these hashes, because they could possibly work over RDP as well. And it typically won't allow hashes to be used over RDP. So this also doesn't seem to be working. So I'm going to take these hashes. Now we can pretty much ignore these users, but math and admin could possibly be interesting. So let's say hash, like so. And then John, word list, user share word list, Rokia, hash. So this is an empty administrator password, it seems. Huh? So we can see that password 1 is the password from math, it seems. Now, this is an important thing. Since math is a local user, we have to do local auth with netexec. So let's try math. And then password. So it doesn't have access with Veneram, it seems. What about SMB? So it seems these are the right credentials, but does not work over SMB. Let's try over RDP as well. And there we go. So this actually works over RDP. So that is awesome. So I'm gonna add to my notes. So yeah, that's fine. Okay, so now this is pretty much all the access that we have. I would not like to try to actually log on to this. and see what access we can essentially get. So no X3 RDP. So let's see. The user is Matt. The password is password1. We don't need a drive. And the target should be 138. And yeah, we see how we just constantly just use the IPs, right? Just to kind of like check against them when you get a set of credentials. But yeah, let us try Matt and see if we can actually access client 1 on 138 over RDP as a local user. Again, this would not work without local auth. Another user is signed in. That's okay. So now we have access. So let's see who we are. We have these privileges, okay. But more importantly, okay, we see that we are actually in the local administrator group. So that means that we have an easy way of getting local admin is literally just opening PowerShell, Control-Shift-Enter, or just right-click open as administrator. And now we have a bit more rights. Now, if you enjoy how I teach and you enjoy this video and you want to take the OSCP, then what are you doing not being in this course? It's over 15 hours long and it covers everything that you need. If you're only watching the videos on YouTube, you're missing out a lot because it's over 15 hours of content. You will get access to the VIP section on Discord where you can ask me any questions and you can study alongside all the other students in our course. Right now, you will also get access to this checklist right here, which will cover at least 95% plus of all the attacks and all the techniques that you need to know for every single section. Not only initial access, but AD, pivoting, Linux, and Windows privilege escalation. And the goal for you is to reach proficient or at least basic competence on all of them. That's one of the things. We also have this entire roadmap right here, where there's a bunch of action steps and a bunch of cheat sheets inside all of these hyperlinks that I can't show you in this video. But once you have completed all of them, you know for a fact that you will be ready to get into the OSCP exams and absolutely crush it. If that sounds interesting to you, to get all of this in 15-hour plus of video footage of someone who has OSCP, who explains different attacks and techniques and methodologies, it's going to be invaluable to you. Now, some people are confused with the offer. If you're interested in the notes, these are the notes that you will constantly see me use in the videos, right? They're pretty much recommended to go hand in hand with the course, and I use them constantly in the course itself, right? So I think you'll find it extremely useful. That's also why we have the third offer, which is the bundle, where you can buy both of these together for a discount. I hope that clarifies things. Best of luck on your OSCP journey. I really hope this will be massively useful to you. I'll see you in the next video.